1. GIBBs Aquada. The GIBBs Aquada is the world's first high-speed amphibious car, capable of over 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers, on land, and over 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers, in water. This amphibious car is slightly different from previous vehicles due to its innovative retractable wheels. This makes the car's handling more similar to a traditional jet ski. Amphicar. The Amphicar was the earliest amphibious vehicle aimed at ordinary consumers in North America. First introduced at the New York Motor Show in 1961, this classic car sold 3,878 units before going out of production in 1968. Power came from a rear-mounted 1.1-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, like the one on the Triumph Herald 1200. 3. WaterCar. Cleverly named the WaterCar, the vehicle holds the Guinness World Record for reaching a top speed of 127 miles per hour, 204 kilometers, on land, and 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers, on water, making it the fastest amphibious car to date. Propulsion for the vehicle comes from a rear-mounted 3.7-liter Honda VTEC V6 engine, driving the rear wheels via a 4-speed manual. Four. Rinspeed SQuba. Looking less like a boat and more like a luxury sports car, the Rinspeed SQuba is certainly a luxurious and extraordinary water vehicle. This incredible vehicle is propelled by electric-powered twin propellers and can dive to a depth of 10 meters, allowing people to descend with it using scuba-style breathing equipment. Five. Dutton Mariner. If you're looking for a unique aquatic experience, look no further than the 1990 Dutton Mariner. This unusual vehicle was built on a Ford Fiesta chassis and engineered by Dutton Amphibious Cars in England. This vehicle is reportedly one of the earliest commercial amphibious vehicles not exclusively intended for military use. 6. Volkswagen Schwimmwagen. The most widely produced amphibious car in history is the unforgettable Volkswagen Schwimmwagen, produced during World War I. Schwimmwagens used the engine and mechanics of the VW Type 86 four-wheel drive prototype of the Volkswagen, a light military vehicle used during World War II, similar to U.S. military-style utility vehicles, which was in turn based on the civilian Volkswagen Beetle platform. Seven. Amphi-Ranger. The rugged Amphi-Ranger was launched in 1985 and was a civilian version of a 4WD-only amphibious vehicle built for pipeline maintenance. A memento of its time, this vehicle is made with an aluminum body that is part of the G-Wagon and has a retractable propeller for use in the water. Eight. Hobbycar. First introduced to the world at the Paris Motor Show in 1992, the Hobbycar B612 is a mid-engined amphibious vehicle that seats up to 4. This model is available to consumers with a hardtop or soft top in either dark blue or solid yellow. A 1.9-liter 4-cylinder engine powers a 4-wheel drive system on the road or 2 hydrojets on the water.